a surprise. And before we get started, smash that down and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of our unicorn baking community. I have a surprise Baketivity box, so let's open it up. Now, let's open it up. It says Red Velvet Cupcakes. Let's open up to see what ingredients. We already have some of them. Cocoa powder, fruit dye, vanilla sugar, candy milk. That's huge. Baking soda, salt, sugar, flour, some more salt, and this big thing of confectioner sugar. I have a directions book, so let's open up to see what directions we have to follow. Step 1. So this is step 1, everybody. It says wash your hands and preheat the oven to 350. And I think I'm gonna wash my hands first. It just went inside my face. Can I have something here? In addition of the ingredients in the box, we will need tablespoon, teaspoon, 2 eggs, butter, the cupcake pan, liners, oil, vinegar, 3 bowls, milk, a spoon, and a scooper. Now we're gonna follow step 2's rules. So this is step 2, everybody. Line your cupcake pans with cupcake liners. So we got cupcake liners, if you remember the research video. Now we're gonna put the liners into the cupcake tin, or whatever you wanna call it. Whatever kind of tin. We used these in the research video. Now we're gonna read step 3's instructions. So this is step 3. In a medium mixing bowl, we have it right here, with the flour, cocoa, baking soda, and salt together. I'm gonna use my scissors because if you guys know, I'm not good at opening things. Go. Now we're gonna read step 4's instructions. This is step 4, everybody. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of oil, sugar, and vanilla sugar. So we got oil. And so first we're gonna pour the oil. Now we're going to do sugar. This is a lot of sugar. And vanilla sugar. And now whisk. That's a lot of sugar, but it's okay. It's a cheat day. Now we're gonna read step 5's instructions. So this is step 5, everybody. Add 4 teaspoons of milk, into this bowl, I think. And my daddy did this because I don't think I can do it. Okay, next, 2 eggs. 2 eggs right here. So that's 2 eggs. And now we're gonna do food dye, which I'm gonna do it over this bowl because it's really messy. Okay, that's good. I have a teaspoon of vinegar and I'm going to carefully, put it in there. You didn't think I could do that, did you? Ew, that's so red. Mix all the eggs. Now we're going to go to step 6. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients bowl. Whisk it together slowly until everything is fully incorporated. I think I said that correctly. Let's do this. Oops, that wasn't that slowly. Luckily I didn't spill anything. Whisk, whisk, whiskey wicks, whisk, wicks, don't spill it. Whisk, wicks, Wixy, wixy, wixy. Whisk, whisk, wix your wix. Wix, wix, get all the dry ingredients in the bowl. I'm pulling up my sleeves for dangerous things that could happen. Fitness is my thing. Fitness is my thing. Step 7. So this is 7. Scoop the batter into your your cupcake pan 3/4 of the way full. And with a scooper. Okay, this is dangerous and my heart is beating fast. I switched to a spoon to speed things up. This is scarier than my math test. I'm leaving. There's only enough to do 10. Well, that's okay. It's gonna be fine. Now we're gonna put it into the oven to bake for 20 minutes. That's how long my sister stayed out to play with me and Luca in the snow. So we're gonna put it in the oven. Now we're gonna follow step 9's rule. That's how old I'm gonna be turning soon. In the mixing bowl, whisk 1 stick softened butter. Ew, that's softened enough. And then it says butter until it's light and creamy. Now I'm gonna whisk it. Now we're gonna follow step 10's rule. That's all with my brother. Slowly add confected sugar to soften the buttercream and add milk. 1 tablespoon up to 3 tablespoons. Okay, I got it. It says slowly, so did I not? Have to cut it again, but that's okay. I think that's good enough. I don't know. Oopsies. I'm gonna put that to the side because it looks like there's already enough. I spilled some flour everywhere, but that's okay because we can clean it up and I can lick it too. That's so good. Now we're gonna add some milk. 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm gonna whisk it. I've been stirring and stirring and it hurts and it looks harder than it looks. But I did it and it smells better. Looks good. Looks just like frosting. I cut out my finger. Well, I can lick it. That tastes so good. And luckily there's no eggs in it or I wouldn't be able to taste it. There's only milk, confectionery sugar, and butter. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's all done! I'm so excited! Now we're gonna let them cool and I'll be back soon. Bye-bye. Hey guys! Now that the cupcakes are cooled, we're going to put them on this fancy tray. So I'm gonna lift the lid up and I'm gonna take them out like that. Now I'm gonna put the frosting in the piping bag. I use a piping bag. So let's see how I do. My sister Lucy is helping out, but she doesn't want to be in the video because she doesn't have her beauty on. The piping bag did not work out so good. I guess I'm too little to do it, but that's okay because we got a knife to spread it out. It's a butter knife, so don't worry. Now, we are going to put these candy melts on top of the cupcake. So let's do it with my handy dandy scissors. They're huge. Yay! We're all done. Now we're gonna taste test. So who should I call? Luca. Luca!
Yeah?
Would you like to taste some of my cupcakes?
Sure. It is good. I think you might put a little bit too much frosting.
Now it's time for me. I took off the top. Pretty good. The candy is really good. Luca, what percent is this?
Probably something around a 98 to 100 because it probably has a little bit too much sugar because you put a lot of frosting.
He did better than last time. Okay, I'm gonna taste the cupcake. Did I just eat paper? It's okay, I eat napkins all the time. Thank you guys for watching Serafina the Unicorn Baker. Yeah, subscribe and give a thumbs up so you can be part of my baking community. Bye.
2, 1.
Now I'm gonna read step 4's directions. So this is step 4.
Cut.
That much? Okay. Get on. Now get step. Now hold on. Redo it.
3, 2, 1.
Now